Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about Corona Zyve, a product that was built during Hack Jaipur 2020 by me and my team, Team Stochastic. So Corona Zyve is inspired from Archive, a research paper hub that is used by a lot of researchers. So our motive for building this app was that in this pandemic, a lot of COVID-19 related papers have come out and it has become a big clutter. So researchers find it difficult to search for specific papers based on keywords, etc. So what we wanted to do is build a search engine that will help us with exactly that. So CoronaZyve is an AI powered Elasticsearch based search engine that will help us search research papers related to COVID-19 on basis of various parameters. So now we will demonstrate this app. So let's see. China COVID-19 vaccine. So now what is happening is that we have sent a request to the API that we have built and we have got the responses back. So as you can see that we have got a lot of queries that have been returned. So if you see one individual paper at a time, you can see that they all belong to a particular topic. So for example, this paper belongs to detection category, this one as well. Then there is one on drug testing. Then you can see that we have provided an excerpt to the paper and we have also identified keywords from the paper. So we have made use of topic modeling for categorizing them into 8 different classes, and we have performed keyword extraction using BERT embeddings, and then we put this word embeddings into our Elastic Cloud, and from there we have indexed each and every research paper. So you can see that we have got a lot of results. Now if you want to refine our results, what we will do is we will put some filters. So as you can see here, if it is peer reviewed paper, so they will get categorized. Then if you want to see only COVID-19 related papers, for example not SARS or MERS, which are also part of the coronavirus family, so we will click this. Okay, so it seems that for this result all are COVID-19 related. And if you want to search for papers for a particular date range, we can also do that. If you want to see from April 9th to May 22nd, you can see the search results have changed here. Or if you want to see for another date, for example from 7th to 31st, so you can see you are only getting these many papers. Yeah, and as you can see here in this chart, we have plotted the research papers on the basis of their categories, and you can see that they are forming their individual clusters here. So here drug testing ones are around this cluster, the detection ones are around this cluster, and the red ones are bit scattered but almost in the this region. The blue ones refer to the treatment and their category is somewhere here. So if we perform another search query, maybe we can get some distinct plot. Yeah, so in this case we are able to see this paper and categories are around. The red ones are now more distinct now, the transmission ones towards this bottom end, the detection ones are in this corner, and the drug testing ones are in the top right hand corner. The crisis management papers are more towards the top left side. So this helps the researchers also see the similarity between the papers. So now we are looking for more contributions to our project, and if more types of filters can be added, for example on the basis of H index, etc. So we would request the community to kindly come out and help us with this project. If they want to contribute, they can make a pull request to our project. So I'll just open the GitHub repo. So this is our GitHub project page. So if you would like to contribute, kindly make a pull request and we will look into your contributions.